off along the inside. Hilarious Lynn goes to the lead-off stride is All Laura. All Laura is in a break. Around the first turn, Hilarious Lynn with the lead. Handle with Care drops into the 2-hole. They go down the backstretch the first time. Hilarious Lynn leads it by 2 lengths. Handle with Care is second. 3 lengths back to Keystone Sandra third. Ed's Karen pacing fourth. Hilarious Sister fifth. Judy Hanover sixth. De Buena Fuente seventh. Trailing the field now pacing is All Laura. At the quarter pole, Handle with Care rushes up, takes the lead, and draws away by 1.5 lengths. The quarter mile in 30 seconds even. They swing around the paddock turn the first time. Handle with Care by a little more than a length. Hilarious Lynn is second, a gap of 3 lengths. Keystone Sandra third. In the stretch for the half mile, Handle with Care leads by a full length. Hilarious Lynn is second, 3 lengths back to Keystone Sandra third. That's Ed's Karen pacing fourth. Hilarious Sister fifth. Judy Hanover sixth, De Buena Fuente seventh, and All Laura's eighth. 1:04 for the half mile. Around the clubhouse turn the final time. It's Handle with Care with the lead. Hilarious Lynn is second. Ed's Karen moves to the outside to take third. Keystone Sandra along the rail back to fourth. Hilarious Sister on the outside fifth. De Buena Fuente on the far outside is sixth and rushing up. They're at the 3/4 pole. Handle with Care has the lead. De Buena Fuente on the outside comes on a Charles. Hilarious Lynn for second, 3/4 and 1:32. Around the final turn, Handle with Care leads by 1.5 lengths. Hilarious Lynn is second. De Buena Fuente on the outside. Along the inside, it's Keystone Sandra. They're in the stretch for the finish. Handle with Care along the inside. Out in the middle of the track, the challenge is Hilarious Lynn. It's Handle with Care along the inside. Keystone Sandra. Handle with Care.